Good morning and welcome to another vlog with the Vee Family. We stopped by, we dropped off the boys to school. We only have Ezekiel with us. Say hi everyone. We stopped by Macca's to get us a coffee because traffic is a bit crazy. But apparently today our container is getting moved to the front. Finally. What are we, 3 months in?
Yeah, or two and a bit.
2 and a bit, yeah.
Two and a half or two.
Yeah, we're starting our 3rd month there, so I'm pretty sure I was complaining about it in the last vlog. So they must have felt my
I might just go in and change my coffee.
Oh yeah, we need to get our coffee and Richie's one wasn't hot enough. We don't normally buy Macca's coffee. We usually just go to 7-Eleven because it's cheaper. But we came because it was the only one on the way and the traffic's crazy, so we thought might as well have a coffee while we're stuck in traffic. Bro, can you relax? Can you relax? What you up to?
Okay.
Hey, have a good day.
Yay.
Welcome to the office is all around here. Damn, how far forward are they moving things? Or maybe they're just moving it out of the way. This is the office that they said they're gonna move, and then they're gonna move the containers. Look, oh my gosh, if it's tilting like that, our fridge is gonna go flying around. Bro, what the heck? Look at the wind. Can you see how crazy the flags are going?
Yeah, look at this.
Oh look, it's swaying.
I think if we just get our glass out.
Oh yeah, that's. I didn't even think about that. Our cabinet. Yeah, the fridge should be stable, I hope. Damn, look at that.
I think our ones are gonna be outside. Yeah. Look that way.
Oh my gosh, the wind is so crazy. Our stuff is definitely gonna be moving around, yeah. Damn. Glass is the cabinet because they're made out of glass. Should take the sail, it broke. Our sail broke again. Yeah. Yeah, stay here. That's 80. The second one. It's ripped again. No.
Did it just rip on its own or did they rip?
Nah, bro, the wind is crazy. He hasn't even touched it yet, babe. Oh. That's crazy. There it goes. It's in the front now. Now we need to paint that side because it's exposed now. We're in the front. Bro, the wind is crazy today. It's so crazy. Oh, look at it swaying. We took out our glass cabinets because that's the only thing we're a bit worried about if it breaks. Our fridge, it ended up dying on us again. So that guy, we paid him $150 to fix it, but he said that it was a dodgy ass fridge anyways, and that we're like, if we get any more time out of it, we did it. We only got like 2 days out of it. That's the only thing that the other thing that we're worried about, but now that it's not working. And we're gonna, oh my goodness. Very good. It has been moved. Now you can see us kind of from the front. We're from the main road over there.
Just finished Big E's training. And we packed our dinner with us. so we can
eat it on the way home because by the time we get home the boys need to shower and then have dinner, and then by the time they're in bed it's like almost 10, so
yeah.
So we'll try and make dinner before we leave.
Yo.
Richy made dinner. We had our chili.
Chili mince. Normally we have it with wraps. Yeah. Can I have some more mince, babe? Come on.
This is yours.
Oh, is that mine? Oh, shit. Yeah, so we bring the full setup though. We're gonna have like wraps in it, but yeah.
We missed it to have wraps, so just
Yeah.
Can I use the wraps?
Nah.
No,
We'll save some mince. You can have some tomorrow. I'll make your lunch for it.
Mom, can you pass me the sauce?
Yeah, Dad's got it.
Where is it? Yep.
Busy days. So.
It was a very busy day. We didn't even get anything of us doing it.
To move the container, then we came home and then we just had to bake everything that needed to get baked.
And we had time to make dinner. Normally when we're busy is when we don't we end up takeaway, yeah.
Having a dinner box.
Yeah, but to be honest,
enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Let's go. Well, a little bit more mince. Yeah, well, I'm done. Let's go.
How is it, Eli? Good. Eli's been starving. Go. Good. How is it, Bessa?
Good.
Is that your favorite dinner?
Make this every day. And deliver it to my house.
Oh boy. How is it, babe?
Nice.
Thanks for making dinner today.
You made it, then.
No, you made it. I just threw everything in and mixed it.
Oh, there's pickles. You want pickles?
Ooh.
Nah, I forgot to bring the jalapenos.
Can you add some to mine?
And
Now it came up trying to get the labels done for our Valentine's boxes, so quickly came up to get these printed. Hopefully the color comes out alright. Let's go. Okay, here. If they don't, can you hold that, babe? Oh.
Go back to the office, let me out.
We're on arms limit.
Good old Kmart.
Yeah, they are. Just gotta cut them. Not too bad. This looks so cute. And then I can add these to the boxes, our Valentine's boxes with the bows. Excuse me, buddy. What are you doing? What's item here?
Good morning. Today is Saturday, and we're heading back. Back to the market. I think the video, as you guys know, we got moved to the front of the market, and so yesterday we prepped for Valentine's. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and so we had like Valentine boxes and stuff like that. And man, we were meant to vlog yesterday, but it got so busy with people coming through that there was no time to vlog and stuff like that. So obviously today's Saturday, we had to rebake. Shout out to everyone that came through. We ended up selling out yesterday around 6:30 or something. 6:30, and so we had to bake again last night and this morning, and so we're heading back to the market today. What am I trying to say? And we're gonna vlog today, so we'll bring you along with us. And
Today we only have Ezekiel with us. Say hi, baby. His babysitter dropped him off last night at the market. We finished last night. Oh my goodness, Ezekiel, please move back. He's showing their money. How much money did you make? Oh no, now you lost it.
oh no!
Last night started pouring at the lot when we were cleaning up and that and packing up. We didn't leave the market till it was like 9.
And it was bad because everything finished like around 6:30. We had the cookies, that was the only thing we had left. But man, we were just it took that long to clean up because it rained and that.
It was raining, and then we couldn't park our car inside, so it was like running to get things in and out, cleaning, and oh my gosh, it like took us like another hour and a bit. And because it was a new area, we were trying to clean outside as well. And then we had our kids there. Not just Ezekiel, we had our like nephews and nieces there. The kids were running amok. But yeah, I'm not feeling well at all. Yesterday my back was so sore.
How's your back now?
Feels a bit better, but it's still sore. Richy gave me. I'm laughing because we did a Valentine's reel. I put it up of that we're saying. Anyway, so I've just put it up about a massage, and then yesterday my back was so gone. Richy was trying to massage my back in between customers, and then someone came and they gave us that look.
What the heck are these guys?
My back is so gone. And then last night Richy massaged my back again because honestly I am struggling. Feels so much better today, but it's still sore. Now I feel like I'm getting sick. So hopefully we're running late. But usually people come a bit later today, so we're hoping that that's the same today, so we have a bit of time to set up and pack everything. Man, last night we went shopping after the market, and like the shops closed at 10, so we got there like around 9:30. We got what we needed to do do some extra baking because everything sold out, and people are already used to like Saturday's our normal day that most people come, so we're like, oh my gosh, we have to. So we're out baking last night, baking this morning. So it's probably alright that we're a little bit late. At least we're coming with stuff. And yeah, so if the vlog starts to like go down like that, it's probably because our energy's already down there. Yeah. Really wish we vlogged yesterday because man, we had so many like new faces, so many old faces. It was just funny like seeing the guys come and be like, oh yeah, my missus sent me the reel.
It was cool. Even like just read like I've never like I think he's never heard of us, but he said he was scrolling through and he seen the reel and he started laughing at it. So he was like, oh yeah, I'll get the missus. So a lot of them were like, hey, you're right, the missus doesn't really like roses. They're like, once you see the
reel, it'll make a bit more sense if you haven't seen it already. That's like what we say, social media. And like we don't even use it enough to what we should. But man, the power of social media is crazy. And even we saw YouTube, that yesterday.
Even like YouTube, like people that watch our channels.
There's so many people like they either be like, oh, we watch your vlogs, or we follow you on Insta, Facebook. And then yesterday we finally started hearing people say we saw it on TikTok.
I know,
because we're so bad on TikTok, so we're like, oh man, it's cool.
I know. Some lady came and she came from Facebook. She's like, I've seen this on Facebook. Where's the spider? That's another reel that we did as well. Like, oh, it's crazy.
Yeah. If you're a small business, try social media. Try different ways. Like, yeah.
Just gotta do it, mate. Get out in your comfort zone, and that's what I tell some of the people at that market that are there that are not so busy. Always like, oh, you just. Sometimes I show them the videos we do and they laugh and they're like,
they're like, yeah, right, that's how you guys get people to come.
I think they look at it and they're like, oh, because some of them are old school, they think you need a sign or that. When I show them the videos, they don't get it. And I'm like, oh, it brings people. Yeah. Because I'm like, I didn't get it either. Like, she has to explain it to me. I'm like, how does these things work?
Yeah, like if you have a business and you're old school, it's hard for them to understand the way that social media works. But man, what they need to understand is like, you don't need to pay for it.
It's free.
That's the biggest thing. And like they're like, oh, we need these signs and that signs and this sign, and these are expensive. Like what they're saying, I'm like, just try social media. It's free. You might embarrass yourself, but it's free.
What's embarrassing anyway? It's embarrassing. It's like people are just so caught up in what everyone thinks of me. It's like, who cares?
Yeah.
They don't want to come pay your bills.
Exactly. They're not gonna come feed your kids.
I know. You know, how it's crazy is because see, like last week it took us 3 days to get rid of to do what we did. Like we did pretty much the same amount yesterday. Like yesterday,
no, we did more.
We did a bit more yesterday. Last week it took a while, you know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
And then, bro, this week, yesterday it went in like six and a half, pretty much 6 hours.
Day,
like from 12 to 6.
It was so funny. I was like looking for things
Stuff
to like sell. I'm
yeah.
like, did we miss anything? And then I found like the banana cake. I was like, oh yeah, we can still do the cake slices. I just felt bad like for people that were coming. Where I was like, man, at least if they can have something to try, like at least they leave with something.
A lot of people were like, oh, nothing. And we're like, oh, we got banoffee. They're like, oh, we'll take it.
Yeah. We forgot, like, we forgot about the cooler that had.
The last hour.
Yeah, we forgot about them because our fridge wasn't working, and so we had it in the cooler, and then we forgot about it. And so at the end, we're like, oh my gosh, no, we had banoffee.
Oh gosh, I thought I forgot it.
Oh my
These two.
goodness.
There's already someone that already got one. If you could smell the car right now, because we have to leave some of the lids of the brownies open because we literally just pulled them out of the oven. So it smells so good right in our car. Yeah.
We're gonna go drop off Ezekiel.
Yeah, we're gonna drop them off to my mom, aka Bingo Queen.
Look at Richie's paint job. Last night, just before when we closed, he tried to spray paint it, and then as soon as he finished, it started raining. Now we gotta go buy more paint. Oh my goodness! Look at us in the front, bro. That sale. We need to do something. Nah, gotta go through here. And then you're free of this finally set up, and what's the time? It's almost 12. As soon as we came, we had people already ready. Someone came and then went because we were trying to set up, and then other people just ended up ordering while we were setting up. And it's been steady going. And then Richie decided to drop our cookies that I just baked.
No good.
Got up early this morning just to get extra stuff for cookies, and then Richie we had our cheesecake, double chocolate. Now we have nothing to sell.
There's nothing at all. At least we know what's what now.
Shh. And now usually we're like, oh, what sweet are we gonna have today? Well, now we know what we're having. We're having the cookies that Richie dropped. But there's already like been a few people that came through, and we're already like, normally we're like trying to restock throughout the day, but we're already out of stuff. Like whatever's in our cabinet is what's there. What's left, eh, babe?
That's it.
Yeah, so honestly, it's a miracle that we even have stuff in here because we had to bake everything. So we still got our Nutella, our Biscoff, Oreo, Snickers, Red Velvet's almost gone. Cookie time. What's left of our cookies that Richie didn't drop. Caramel slice, and then our cookies and Mom's far our smokingy. Yeah. So that's about it. Not bad. We've had some people pre-order, so we've done their orders already and put it aside. Yeah, even our banoffee and banana cakes are gone because people paid for some of them yesterday, or pre-ordered yesterday when they came yesterday. Oh my goodness. So yeah. Are you alright? She's just prepping some of the cookies, so when people come we can just pop them in the oven, and he's not trying to make them while they're waiting. But yeah, gonna have my tea and some cookies. Oh, I just made me a black tea at home. It's actually so nice and hot. I honestly just want to crawl into bed and go to sleep. And the wind be crazy today. Oh my goodness. We've already ripped one. This one has ripped as well. Let's hope it doesn't rip and break. Oh no, it's raining. Oh, I did not want to get wet. Today's one of those Netflix and chill kind of days, right?
Everyone, hurry up and come here and buy this.
So we can go home, please. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. I love rainy days to be at home. Snuggled nice and warm, watching a movie, having a nap. Oh, things that we haven't done in a long, long time. I know.
Those ones, my mum, she's taking the boys and we're just gonna have a proper sleep.
Yes, uninterrupted. Bro, my sleep has been so painful lately. I don't know if it's the position that baby's in, but my pelvic bone or something down there is not right. Something down there feels broken. Carrying your damn kids.
Those ones, right.
So funny, as soon as me and Richy like got married, we're like, by 30 we've had all our kids, just gonna pop them out. And the first kid struggled. Second one got worse. Third one, oh my gosh. Honestly, the giving birth to those kids is just traumatizes me. Still trying to recover from them. So we have such massive gaps, and now I'm like, you know what? I'm 35. I don't have any more years in me to be carrying kids. My body's gone through enough. So this is the last.
Last.
This is the last. Baby.
Last.
Baby V.
No more after that.
Boy or girl. We're done.
Whatever we
Closing
get next
shop. Lock it up. Tie whatever needs to get tied. Cut whatever needs to get cut.
We ain't cutting nothing.
Shh.
This.
Yeah?
You know what time it is?
Kipoki time. Weather is crazy. Oh. When we used to do the markets before, and we only had a tent, and this weather used to be so funny, like, because both our families would come almost every week that we're at the market, and then there's each person, there's like, we're serving, and then there's like one person on each pole holding it down. It was so funny. And then like sometimes we'll have two tents, say, so we have like a person on each pole holding it down, because man, Melbourne weather is like, it's unpredictable, but bro, it's always like this too. It's four seasons in one day. Oh my gosh, in which corner is it? Oh my gosh, I might knock someone out.
No, I won't. Like, because I know that. What is this called, right?
The sail,
Yeah. No, but like,
the angle.
angles, you know? Like, it shouldn't.
Lots.
Because that's a heavy one.
What, did you take that one?
No.
Oh.
But it's a full.
Oh, okay.
Just like with the weight of light and
Yeah.
you'll comprehend the.
Bro. Shh. Oh my goodness. Look guys, we upgraded. We upgraded from up the basketball hoop to the tree. To the coconut tree. Richie's trying to help the neighbors with the tin. It's the wind's like ripping it.
Talofa Fams, we're finished. I don't think we mentioned, but we sold out at 2:30, 2 o'clock. And shout out to everyone. It's so cool, like especially like from last week, taking us, I think I've already said it, taking 3 days to get rid of like well, you know, the stuff that we had,
to sell all our stuff.
And then to
this week selling out on both days.
Friday sell out, Saturday sell out. So
because
cool.
normally we close like around 5 today. So today was
this is the earliest we've ever gotten out. It's like 4 o'clock, and we bought some food and stuff, and we're parked up on the side of the road somewhere.
Yeah, we just remembered that we forgot to say that we finished up. Yeah, because it just got a bit crazy with the rain and the wind, and people were still coming, and then next minute everything was gone. Yeah.
Shout out to everybody. Like people were just coming. Like it was kind of like rain. It was real bad weather today, and people
crazy.
were still coming. Yeah, it was just
like sunny 1 second, then bloody wind going everywhere.
Yeah, shout out to everyone that came through, and right now we're
sorry to anyone that missed out today.
I know there was a few people that came through, and lucky wifey put up on the story that there's no more.
I know. As soon as I saw there wasn't that much left, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to. And I was trying to put the story up, but people were coming, so we had to serve them. I was like, oh.
Even the guy, I was standing, we bought some food off Jivik, and the guy, he must have came, but we had nothing.
They normally come too.
Yeah, he was saying to me, man, bro, no one ever sells that banana cake, man. And I was like, yeah, it's the best. I was like, I talk our stuff up big time, but
he does.
It's true. I'm the biggest. I'm our biggest fan.
I'm to like promote our stuff. I'm just like, it's good. I just want you to taste it and say, but this guy, nah. But that's what you need, like, you know, they
you
say
need to
like
be your own hype man.
one thing for a business is that you try not to be humble, because you need to get your stuff out there.
But what are we eating? I'll get what we're eating now. But yeah, that's enough. Appreciate everyone. We went to Jivik, and
I got me a luau. I think this says luau PP.
Yeah.
And then we got the fried chicken.
The chicken's gangster.
Yeah.
So yeah.
With chips.
Shout out to Jerick for sponsoring this video. But yeah, we're literally parked. Look at this. This is, I don't know if you know where we are, but this is like Ballarat Road. And we just pulled over just to enjoy this food before we head home. Ooh.
So the galo broke while I was, look at that BP. I need to put it on.
There's no other combo better than galo. Like luau cannot go with fa'i as well.
But galo is the best.
But galo is what you want. How is it? Good?
That's a nice way to end the day.
And I wanted Malaysian, but my wife wouldn't let me go get it.
We had it last week. Or the week before.
Yeah. Oh, that's a massive. What is it? Murpipi?
Yeah.
For those non-Samoan speaking, that's chicken.
Turkey tail.
Turkey tail, aka butt.
Turkey tail.
Nice. And I got the classic KFC chicken. Jivik fried chicken. Yeah. Wow.
And I got the like mango, where our kids can like devour these in a go, man. It's so good.
Or anyone else?
They're like me, the boys with like all thigh and this stuff.
That's what I was gonna say. Does anyone else not like these kind of drinks? Because I don't, but my wife and my kids love it. But I can't do it. I'm like a fizzy person. I used to be hooked on like Coke and Coke Zero.
Yeah, like you can't even eat like and drink like milkshakes.
No.
Well, that's probably why you can't, because it's like a bit milky kind of.
It's too much. It's like thick.
Are you eating salmon?
You need fizzy drink. Right, yeah.
I didn't grow up on having fizzy drinks with meals, unless like we went on like our birthdays and we went McDonald's.
I did.
That's the only time.
My mum used to buy fizzy in that.
But not with meals, yeah.
We drink a lot of soda water at our house because, you know,
Alternative.
of, yeah. We actually don't get fizzies at our house unless we eat out and that, but because I'm just bad at it. How's a gullo?
Super.
You got one gullo.
Yeah.
Well, gonna munch this out and then head home. And yes, we had to come down here and check out. Let me just wipe this a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh, where we at, babe? Street crepes.
We went to pick up the boys to bring them. But nah, they didn't want to come. So you guys can just watch through the TV then. They didn't want to come and join us, so we went on our own to grab acai and pancakes.
If you don't know, here in Mountain, this is what they're known for down here in Mountain, you know? Best crepes going around. How's the acai?
Oh, so
damn,
nice.
they pour it on that
Got
pistachio.
pistachio spread. The last time we came, I was in the first trimester and
Yeah.
that was the worst. Things were just not sitting with me. As soon as we finished from here, I just wiped the whole thing.
I was gonna say.
So nice to enjoy it properly now.
No, it's mad. I gotta have that coffee. Mangaya. Doesn't muck around, bro. She doesn't muck around. Oh, that's mad. Look at that. Ooh.
These guys' crepes, they're like more chewy. Eh?
Yeah, they're like Samoan.
Crepes are usually like more like soft and crispy.
Yeah.
A bit on the crispy, but these guys, they're like Samoan, like
The dough.
flat Samoan pancake.
Oh, not the dough.
The texture.
Yeah.
Which is why these guys, I really like their crepes.
It's nice as
It's so good.
and they're not bad too, because I think is that $12?
I think so.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, because we just get the Nutella and
Oh, that looks mad.
like they do like a lot of different flavors, but I just like the simple.
The simple one is nice, eh? Even the Bishkoff one is nice. I like. Yeah. And normally it gets packed. It's just started, and it's It's really... But knowing how expensive the pistachio is,
I know.
To be honest, that's what we do.
They go ham on the pistachio, yeah.
I just smash it on, not even. It's not till after I realize how much we got.
Especially pistachio, man. You gotta bloody pay an arm and a leg for that. Try the crepes, babe. They're so nice. Usually when we come, it's just me eating.
Still see the steam.
Oh, it's so hot. It's nice. So yummy.